as AI progresses, I see it moving in along the lines of a recent article. It was written by another one of our colleagues, Michael Dietrich. He talks about the ability for AI not only to help us understand patterns in real time, but for it to co-create with us new directions or the ability to take action, right? So the example that I can think of is a traffic management system that's enabled by digital twins and AI in a city. So it's not just about how do we better design our roads, our infrastructure. It's about understanding, simulating in real time as traffic is moving, right? And redirecting traffic through sensors or your systems so that you avoid traffic congestion before it happens, right? So the ability to manage those kind of things, I think he refers to it as hyper reality, but the ability to manage those kind of things and take action live as they're occurring rather than it being a function of planning or design is where I think the ability for AI to move and support co-creating and taking action with humans in a collaborative way is what I think is really interesting about where this technology is going.